In this video, I'm going to show you a way where you can be guaranteed to get a beam horizontal with an axe. G'day, welcome to Chestnut Nags Tools in Japan. My name's Stuart Chignall, and in the last video I did in this series on my unplugged workshop build, I showed how I was raising a beam and then holding it in place so I could mark the joinery to fit the beam. But in order to get the beam into the right place, it's got to be level, and this is how I did it. Now, the reason a lot of my woodworking is unplugged is because I'm really passionate about period woodworking, and when I say period, I'm generally talking pre-17th century. And back in the day, they didn't have spirit levels, so if you wanted to get something plumb, it had to be with the plumb bob, but if you wanted something level, it also had to be with a plumb bob. Now, there's a number of different devices that use a plumb bob to get things level, and this is a way that means you don't need a separate tool because you're already going to have something heavy like an axe or a hammer, and you're already going to have a square. Now, the first step is a clove hitch close to the head, and then a single half hitch close to the end of the handle. Now, to hang the axe, have the rope over the beam, but then so the next bit is easier, have it the rope pulling the hanging rope back so it's on the center bottom of the beam. And that's going to make the next bit, which comes when you line up the square with the hanging rope, a lot easier.
So you're inside now?
Yep.
I'm not allowed to walk under it.
Some of that ice cream would be lovely.
Now?
Yeah, what the hell? Oh, no breakfast yet.
Okay.
Well, I hope you found that useful. As you can see, the workshop is progressing, and I've started experimenting with laying the thatch. Having a ball with this project, and at the moment I'm catching up on a bunch of the videos that I've already filmed. I just haven't got them out so that you people can see them. So yeah, if you want to follow along, make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you get, well, hopefully notified when the videos come out. And check out the playlist, which shows all the other videos from the build. Enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next video.